Hey you guys, welcome back today. Today's gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna do a tutorial on this look right here. So I do ask you guys quite often if anybody wants to see anything, if there's anything that you guys are interested in. I had a request for a vampy look from a subscriber, and that's what I'm gonna do for her today. If you like what you see, go ahead and stick around and you'll see how I get here. And if you guys haven't liked and subscribed yet, please do so right now.
What are you waiting for? Like really, come on board.
Get with the program, okay? Okay guys, I'm going to just quickly be going through the eyeshadows. I'm not going to talk through the video. This way you can see a quick fast tutorial for today, okay? So I am going to use the Urban Decay palette. Yes, I know I did have some issues with it in the beginning. I still have a few issues with it, but this palette has the most deepest tones. My MAC Artistry palette does have a few deep tones in it, but I do like the darker shades in here.
So we're just not gonna be picky, you know what I mean? We're just gonna use it and see how it goes.
So I'm just gonna point to them and we're gonna get the look on. Going in with my Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush. This one is the JH30. Okay, so I want to stop and show you guys. Do you see how I'm making kind of like a halo effect here? I'm not coloring the center of the eyelid. I want that to be like the center star to pop out. And the halo just means you're kind of circling the center lid. You're just kind of like starting from the corner, kind of going up and ending up in this corner. So from corner to corner is what means like a halo. So you have this clean space right here to work with. Just makes it easier than having piles of shadow on top of each other. favorite Stila. I just did the corner edges. I'm gonna go in with this MAC. And I just love the effect that that gives. Because today we're being a little different.
So let's just be a little different all the way through.
That's the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This again was a request by one of my subscribers, Native. Thank you so much, girl, for hitting me up for that. I hope she enjoys this vampy look that I put together. Let me just scooch in a little bit to show you. So again, if there's something that you guys want to see, just let me know. Hit me up in the comments down below. Like this, give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget, you guys, it's the holiday season. Do the gift of giving. Be grateful, cherish all your loved ones, and be there for each other always and forever, okay? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.